I'm out for a little walk today, and it's a gorgeous weather. Came across this wild boar lay, but what I'm going to show you today is a LED flashlight. It is from myled.com, and I'm gonna open it up for you. I have used it for about a week now. There it is. The idea behind getting this one was use it as an EDC, and red is a good color when you want to find it again in the soil. It comes with a manual. It's a one type of manual for all kind of deal. So normally there will be X's in determining what kind of modes it is and all that. The information is on their website, and the link will be below. Anyway, I replaced the battery. It's a AAA battery, and I'm using a standard Duracell cell, nothing spectacular. I am gonna make show you the lights, light modes in the darkness. But what I really like about it is it has 5 modes, and first one is a low, second one is a medium, third one is a high. It's very bright, and the flashlight gets hot, so you have to hold it to act as a heatsink. Then you have a strobe and a SOS, which I like very much in a outdoors flashlight. Means you don't have to be on top of the situation to be able to make a distress signal. It is a IP66 rating. It has a silicon seal, and it will give you protection to some degree. If you drop it in a puddle of water or something, you can pick it up within a matter of seconds, or even up to half a minute, I guess, and it should be fine. So if you're in a torrential downpour of rain, you should be fine. So I'm going to turn it on, and it's just a matter of twisting motion. So I got it on the SOS. To change between the different modes, you make rapid twisting motions, and it remembers the last mode you had it in, so that's also neat. If you want to put a split ring in it, you can still tail stand it. Let's see if I can get it into the light, due to this notch, so that is also a nice feature. The wrist lanyard isn't really big enough for me, but it would probably be sufficient for most people. So this evening I will do the light throwing tests, so be back with you. So I'm out for a evening walk, and shining the lights roughly 5 meters in front of me. It should be said this is an Android phone, I'm filming with, and the light sensor isn't the greatest, as most of you will know that are filming with your phones. Anyway, this is the medium setting, and I'm gonna go over on the high. That pole is about 10 meters away. I can see it really clearly, so this isn't a fair test. With the high setting, I can see a person. Gonna get up to a hill here so I can get some distance. It is a AAA flashlight, so you won't expect any monster lumens out of it anyway. But it's more than a capable EDC light. Most of the time it's the size that dictates, and got movement in the forest. I would say I could spot the person without any problems at 50 meters if they didn't have any reflexes, any shiny stuff on them. So this isn't much of a video, but let's see. There will be a coupon code attached to this video, so if you go to their site, Nord, whatever they have, whatever you want to buy, you will get 10% off. They have a huge range of different lights, and they also sell LED bulbs and all the rest of it, and close to 800 flashlights. The make of this one is Brynite, and as I said before, the link will take you directly to the flashlight, so it's a long and complicated name. But yeah, I think it's a great EDC flashlight, and at the moment it retails just short of $11 US, so the price is nothing to complain about. So yeah, sorry for a very boring visual end to the video, but as I said, my phone isn't the greatest at picking up images in low light conditions. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.